I've been going through so much lately, man.
Yo, what's good, man? Y'all know what it is, man. It's your boy Rich Everything checking in, man. I gotta help this little lady right here out. She trying to pour the water hose from the front of the house to the back of the house. So, but y'all know it's late evening. Had to wait to cool down, man. It be so hot during the daytime, but let y'all kind of see what we working on. I started working before I even check in with y'all guys to see what's going on, man. So, let y'all, I'm gonna turn the camera around, let y'all see what's what. Yep. So you see what I'm doing. A lot of people probably say, huh? No, I'm not just banging on the door. What I actually did was I went ahead and I took the original handle off. In case you want to know how you take the original handle off, these things right here. Change my view. These things here on the front, you got two tabs on the front of there. They interlock into your door. So Chevy did a smart move when they did this. And then what happens with that is they got rivets that you can put through here. So if I ever need to change it back out, put this handle back on, I could. Sliding the actual unlock is right here. So one good thing I already see is when I start putting this door together, a lot of people, you end up having to put the popper on the inside of the door, which you can see this door right here back out a little bit. You ain't really got much space to play with, so this right here is really gonna be a pro right here, as you can see, because now that'll actually give me some room to, if my door panel, which it should after I cut it out or mold it, cut it out and everything, it should give me some room to actually install that door popper someplace up in here, so I can actually have it on the front of the door, you know. But we're gonna grab one of the door panels and we're just gonna sit it on here because we're doing a mock-up now before we can actually get everything placed on here. I wanted to make sure the door would, or everything was able to go, the whole panel was able to go on the door, and then the door actually closed, you know. So I'm gonna probably try to go back with my original holes right here. If I can mock those, I'm gonna try to go back with the original holes. Where they at? With this one in the middle right there. Got one on the end. Then you got about 4 on the front. So you got 4 in the back, right here. You got 4 holes on the back. 1 main hole in the middle that holds it. And then 4 on the front. I still got to buy some Christmas trees to go in that. But now, how I got it out was I had to take my hammer and a Phillip head screwdriver and tap that little center punch piece out of the rivet. And then once I did that, I just took my pry bar, put it behind it, banged on it just a little bit to get it behind it, and then pry up. Wasn't that hard, they came straight off. So go grab a door panel and we're gonna throw that thing on there to see what we got going on. Yep, so y'all can see we went and grabbed that door panel. Just that quick. Y'all see I ain't cutting nothing out of the back yet, because I wanna wait. I gotta pull this piece right here back off, and then we'll fleece it up. And I'm trying to think whether or not I wanna fleece it up and one piece it, instead of having this fleeced up and then it's causing this to push out a little bit too far. So I might fleece it up and just one piece it. And what I mean when I say one piece it is, what I do is I'll go ahead and loosen this here, right here back up, probably go behind it with some glue, and kind of reinforce these areas right here, so we ain't got that much, you know what I'm saying, pull or play in it. I'll reinforce those areas with some wood or something, and then we can get the fleecing. But you can see I got some little fine stuff that I need to do to actually make it, you know what I'm saying, straight. Well, you can't see it from there, but like from right here, you can actually see. And really, I ain't too worried about that, because if I one-piece fleece it, what I do is I just make my staple line straight right there. And I go back in here and next to these edges right here and put me some screws so I can tuck that, or some of my Autobahn glue, some Gorilla Glue, some something. I don't know. We're going to try to get this thing right here on this door right quick. So let me see if I can prop y'all up someplace so y'all can see what's going on. All right, I guess that's going to work right now. So these door handles right here. I mean, where these doors. Make sure you got your top part up here. Go behind that, and then I still got my regular lock piece at the top up here. So check that. You push that. Once you hear that snap in, you pretty much good from there. You golden. So that's our fit right there. That's our fit right there. I'm gonna turn it around, let y'all see it. Back up a little bit. That's our fit right there. I ain't even gonna lie to you. I wasn't expecting for it to fall in just that easy, but it did. So the ultimate question is, can I pull this crate right here out, pull the cover off, and close this door so I can see exactly where we at? So y'all, let me pull this crate out, pull this cover up, open this other door so I can see where we at. But I ain't gonna lie, boy, I'm loving that right there so far. Boy, nothing like bringing that thing to life, boy. Yeah. So as y'all can see, we got the door closed. Nothing touching over there. Walk around this thing right quick. All the stuff I got in the seat, yeah. See if I can get y'all some light. Hold on. Yup. Got y'all some light. Well, look at that. If that ain't a perfect fit, though. So now, I pull my seatbelt up out the way. Look down here and see what I got going on. So, yeah. What y'all see? I smooth everything falling into them tracks down there. Yup. Even right here on the curb, on the front part. See if I can get y'all a better angle. Right here. It's just barely touching this kick panel right here on the front, but that's all good. I can live with that. My wood piece in there, not touching the dash at all. So there you go, boy. Relentless door panels in there. Relentless door panels is in there, man. Loving that. That means that I can go ahead and start fleecing up now. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and get the other door panels and go ahead and try to tighten them down the same way I got this one right here tightened down. Take my latches off and go ahead and sit my panels inside here so I can make some room inside the office for some other stuff. And then I got some things I need to do as far as getting up under this car and loosening up the bolts in the bell housing, and the torque converter so I can pull this motor out. There you have it right there, man. Relentless door panels. You know what I'm saying? Officially in on the front. We're gonna see what the back look like. I gotta figure out which side I got on the back. Either that side or this side. I'm hoping I got the same side so I can swing the doors open and let you see it. And then I gotta swap this motor right here out. That motor right there is still good, but I got an original motor that go up in there, so I'm gonna swap that out. And I don't know if y'all remember the DPT switch that I made. Extend that, and I don't know, man. Possibly I could start my console. I could probably start my console after that, man. We gonna see what's what. I'm wanting to see how that rear deck looking that thing now, just so I can make some space or something. Y'all stay tuned though, man. Let me grab this back door panel and see what we got going. All right, as you can see, we do got door panel number 1 in. You know what I'm saying? But according to the weather, it ain't having it. You see that right there? We got door panel number 2. Bolt up, everything tied on it. You know what I'm saying? For where it need to be anyway, just to kind of hold everything in play. I know. Thundering and stuff, man. This door panel here in place. I'm gonna take it in the house and work on it a little bit more because I was rushing. So you can see right there where I need to move that up some. And the other one right here. So we don't have none of these sides right here on yet. And I still gotta trim the back metal pieces, the bolts or whatnot off of them, but I ain't about to play out here in the lightning like this right here, man. So I'm gonna check back in with y'all as soon as I shut this thing right here down. Okay. So the rain came through. You know what I'm saying? Rain, lightning, and whatever else came through. Messed me up. I was out there on the road. I was gonna get these things in there for y'all so y'all can see how they look. Y'all did see the driver's side in there. So I did took the liberty to finish bolting my panels all the way down. So now I got all of them bolted up where I want them and everything. So you got your driver's side doors right there. Passenger side doors right here. You know, still trying to figure out what I want to do with that, because I want to put I think it's like a 10-inch. I'll show you. I'm talking about. I want to put this back in that door, but I'm thinking about something different. I'm thinking about actually using the 3-way and the rings that I made, the speaker rings that I made, and actually mounting them inside that door, and then you still being able to use the speakers that I got. I also be, I don't know, them little 4-inch. I might stick those in the dash. We gonna see, man. We gonna see, man. I wish I had a little bit more excitement for y'all as far as getting all these panels in there so y'all can see what it looks like, because I'm already excited. I ain't even gonna lie, just by seeing the one in there. Like I say, too, show here your whole passenger side, whole driver's side. And then I was actually gonna install that rear deck in there. But yeah, man, I ain't playing no games now. It's time to go ahead and get this thing right here together so I can get the office all cleaned out. Got all the door parts inside of a bin right here. Everything just kind of, they ain't scattered out all over the place. I know where everything is at. Got my coilovers and all inside the box right here. My piping and all right there. You know what I'm saying? LED lights up on the wall, bumper filler, all that other good stuff, man. So yeah, man, like I say, I wish I could show y'all how all 4 of the door panels fit in there, but I still got 2 more handles that I gotta take off on the passenger side. The driver's side's already off, and as well I have to go, let's see, Okay, it's not on this one. On the back side of the door, and you can see it there, I still gotta trim these screws off so that it'll lay flat on the door. One of these door panels, I do got a little adjusting to do as far as the tilt on it. I'm thinking it's this one right here. See how you can see the screws right there? So that means that I gotta bring this up a little bit more so that way you won't be able to see the screws, because it's supposed to rest on the top of that right there. So we gonna get it right, man. We definitely gonna get it right. You see your boy Rich everything, man. Going hard at it, man. Just trying to, like I said, man, I told y'all on the last couple of videos I was gonna go hard so I can go ahead and put this thing back together. I didn't have a chance to take the bell housing bolts out because of the weather as well. But, you know, when you one person, you multitasking, it's a thing. This lady said she gonna help me on Tuesday, so I'm hiring some help. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, you gotta come tell the camera that. I tell the camera that because you know some people change their mind. So just the thing. She said she gonna help me on Tuesday. So if I can get me a whole crew on Tuesday, I think Jada gotta work, but he getting to work too. We can get this thing right here done. You know what I'm saying? At least the whole, if I can get everything inside the car, let's put it like that, then we can get everything done. Because from that point right there on, all I'm doing is basically cleaning up and mocking up for the turbo, that type stuff. But y'all already know, man. Everything I do, I post for you guys, man. Y'all already know that. So this is what it is, man. If y'all got any questions on anything, man, my box Chevy guys, my G-body guys, I don't care what it is. If y'all got door panels, or y'all need door panels or something like that made, man, look at here. I just made a decision to myself, man, that I will help y'all out, you know what I'm saying, for a fair price, you know what I'm saying. We'll get that thing done. Just let me know what kind of car y'all got. If y'all can pull at least the back, or most of most of y'all cutlasses and G-body guys, y'all got that one door. So if y'all could just pull, you know what I'm saying, one side of the panel, I would much rather have both sides of it out of the car, and then we'll figure out a way how y'all can get it shipped to me or whatever the case may be. Rear decks as well, man, you know what I'm saying. If y'all could pull me out this stuff and I can get a pattern made, then, you know, who knows, man, I might just go into making door panels for people, and then when I ship them back to you guys, whoever doing y'all upholstery or whatever the case may be, y'all can just have it, you know what I'm saying, dropped off at them and let them wrap it. You feel what I'm saying? Your boy Rich everything, man. That's Rich_everything with an A. Make sure y'all do something with them buttons down there, man. It's time for us to get back to work. Y'all already know. Oh, yeah. And let me go ahead and keep y'all posted on this. This little lady gave me a good idea. And this right here helps out a whole lot. So, y'all can see how I got my check off list right here. A lot of this stuff I gotta go and I gotta check off. You see I got like big brake install, coilover install, gas tank install, all that stuff. I got it down there as install. And the reason why I got it down there as install is because I've already bought this stuff. Like I said, man, I basically got a whole car just sitting in my office. So now I'm waiting to check these lists or let this list off to make sure I do what it is that I'm supposed to do. Relays for the electrical fans. I gotta check my electrical box, make sure I got relays. If I don't, I gotta get on eBay, and I like to order those by the bulk, so I go ahead and do that. Buying a new radiator. I'm gonna see what's up with the old radiator that I got, but I would much rather have a new one. I don't know, maybe somebody might, you know what I'm saying, put that in their budget or something like that. But we gonna see about that, man. Your boy Rich everything, man. Rich_everything. The richest queen, you know what I'm saying? J Money. My boy J.T.Verify. I don't know where he at today, man. He just took the day off. So it is what it is, man. Y'all know what it is, man. Your boy, I'm out.